Do you miss someone very much? Or do you miss a companion with who your friends and family have a lot of fun together? Send this special card to him or her and let him explore around the table and see the teddies and know how much you miss him. All you have to do is to copy and paste the link given below in the description and share it with WhatsApp, WeChat or email. If you want him or her to call you directly, or you want them to hear your message,
How are you?
or
We
see
miss
some
you a lot.
pictures or videos.
老友記，幾時到啊？3缺1，等緊你開台啊！
Sorry that at this stage, the EasyVR app we use here only support iPhones. When the Android version is ready, I will update this video further. Now, let's start. First, you need to upload the pictures, voice message,
How
or
are you?
video
We miss you a lot.
somewhere you want to share and get the links ready. You also need to download our Teddy Bear 360 image for the card through the link given below into your iPhone. This card I created is now shared totally free of charge with you. Then you need to download the EasyVR app from the App Store. Again, it's free. Next, you need to open an account like this. You need to create a new file and give it a name for your VR card. Then you come to here and upload the Teddy Bear 360 image previously stored in your iPhone. Going into the picture, with this plus sign, you reach this menu to embed a voice message. For a bear, you can also add this telephone or WhatsApp icon and then fill in the numbers so that your friend can call or text you directly. Then you can repeat these steps for the other bears. If you want to share more, like adding a picture, a video, or even writing in PDF, you can upgrade to a paid account and follow similar steps to embed these. Now the card is ready, it's time to share it. You get the links here and send it out directly with your smartphone through WhatsApp, WeChat or email. Isn't it very easy? Hope you and your friends or family like it. In case you get lost somewhere or you want to learn more about the use of the EasyVR app, down below are the links to the tutorials. This is a new attempt for us to create another fun things out of the Mahjong film. You will find a lot of more interesting videos ranging from worlds created totally out of Mahjong tiles, playing a set of giant Mahjong, a quiz on Chinese idiom with Mahjong, to a full luggage case of Mahjong related items. If you think we are really creative, please support us by liking or subscribing to our channel.